This is Xiaomi 13, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to begin with, let's launch the default calendar application. Then choose the date that you would like to create an event for. Then tap this plus sign to your bottom right, name your event, set the time frames for it to occur, decide whether this event will be repetitive or not. You can even set the custom frequency for it to be repeated. Then choose where you would like for this event to stop being repetitive, or to stop occurring rather. Then choose your reminders preferences for this particular event, or to put it in simpler words, just decide when you would like to be notified about it, as well as you can set some location for it to occur, and add some brief description if you want to. Now save it by tapping at this check sign at the top right corner of the display, and now as you can see, the event is being displayed right over here already. So that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.